Right. Good morning, guys. So, in the previous class, in the previous session, we discussed a program to convert the given string into Pascal case, right? Pascal case. Now, let us try to convert the same string into Camel case. Pascal case over. Now, let us try into Camel case. What is the meaning of Camel case? And what is the difference between Pascal and Camel case? Right. We'll see now. Suppose let's take the string. The string is Python at Narayana. Then take house is the string. For this one, what's the Pascal case? The Pascal case is Python capital P, Narayana capital N, take capital T, H capital H. House, right? So in the first word, first letter capital, second word, first letter capital, third word, first letter capital, and fourth word, first letter capital, right? That is the Pascal case. For the same case, what is the camel? What is the camel case of same thing here, right? So camel case is same like a Pascal case, except the first word, first letter. So in the camel case, the first word, first letter will be taken in the lower case, right? That means the complete first word in the lower case, second word onwards, like same as a Pascal, right? Second word onwards, capital N, Narayana, capital T, take capital H, house, right? Only the first word, first letter is the difference between Pascal and the camel cases. When everything same, right? So to convert into this camel case, the given string, so we'll create a program for this one now. We'll create a program, guys. Right. Let's take the program. So write a program to convert the given string into write a camel case, For example, let's take the same Python, right? Narayana, take a house like this, given string, right? So the result of this one will be the camel case means small p, right? Python, capital N, Narayana, capital T, take capital H, house. Okay. So first what we do, first of all, just forget about the first word. Take the second word onwards, apply same rule. What is the rule? First character upper, remaining all lower. Again, first character upper, remaining all lower. Again, first character upper, remaining all lower. Forget about the first word, take the second word onwards first of all, right? So this one we're going to make into the split, right? The result of the split we know. Result of the split is all words in the list format. All words in the list format will come. Right, this is the result of the split, guys. Result of the split. Yes, just remove this one here. So result of this one is yes, the list. Not variable, list variable, right? List variable, guys. So what is the result here? List of first word, comma, second word, comma, third word, and fourth word. Just forget about the first word and take the second word onwards and convert the first character into upper, remaining all lower. Again, first character upper, remaining all lower, right? So in the list, apply for loop for I in LST. For I in LST. LST means it takes all from beginning onwards, right? But what I want now, I want take from here onwards, remaining all. I want the second word onwards till the end. So first word means index number 1. And here first word index number 0, right? 0. This is the 1. I want from 1 onwards, index number 1 onwards. So index number 1 onwards till the last one, guys. Till the last one. I don't specify any index number. So starting one is 1, ending is the not given ending. All of you. The starting index number is 1 given. Ending index number is not given. Means take up to last word. Or first time I value. first time I value is Chuanna. Okay, Narayana will come, guys. Not the Python. Narayana will come. So the first time I value is okay, Narayana stringer. Right. Narayana is a stringer. Now in that stringer, I of zero, I want uppercase plus I of one onwards till the last one again. One onwards till the last one. Means I means what here? I means right Narayana. I of zero means what here? N, right? N. That N take into uppercase, capital N. One onwards till the last one. One means A up to last one means A R A Y A N A. I want in the lowercase. Take in the lowercase. Enough, right? So first I value Narayana. I of zero what here? Small n into uppercase. So small n became a capital N. I of one up to last one right here means from here to last one. Into which case? Into lowercase only. Yes, into the lowercase only. Now like this, the first word came. This one you concatenate to any one existing string. Let's take the one string, an empty string, guys. So this Narayana I concatenate with the empty string first of all, right? So st1 plus assign to st1 again, assign to st1. So this Narayana string concatenated with the empty string. So finally Narayana is there. That Narayana assigned to st1. Now st1 contains what here? Narayana with capital N. Over, right? First loop over. Second time I value what here? Second time I value tech will come, right? Next time I value tech will come. So tech, right? Now start here. st1 plus, or st1 already Narayana is there, right? st1 Narayana. Or st1 value already, right? Narayana. Now Narayana plus I of zero. I value take I of zero t. That small t take into uppercase, right? So we'll take here capital T. Then I of one to last, one to last. Which case lowercase, right? So ECH. So ECH over. Now, so already Narayana is there. Narayana T ECH means tech, Narayana tech. Assigned to what again here? ST1. Now ST1 contains what now? Narayana tech. All of you, okay? ST1 contains Narayana tech. Okay, next loop. Next I value how much? House, right? Next I value house. Next I value house. Right? So ST1 plus or ST1 already Narayana tech is there. For Narayana tech, I of zero, I is the house, I of zero is the H. I of one to last means one to last means HOUSE in the lower case, right? Now, so Narayan Tech plus house, Narayan Tech house assigned to what here? Assigned to ST1. Now ST1 contains Narayan Tech house. And next one, what next one here? No, nothing is there, right? Now finally, ST1 contains what here? Narayana Tech house with all first characters uppercase. Now, so the loop over, right? Loop over, guys. Loop over. So we got this result, right? Narayana Tech house came. Before this one, I add which one? LST of 0. Before that one, I add LST of 0 in the lowercase, right? Before the current result, before this result, I add LST of, this is LST of 0, right? LST of 0. Outside the loop, LST of 0 must be in the lowercase. Plus this ST1 now. What is ST1 currently? Narayana Tech house is ST1 now. So LST of 0 means Python plus Narayana Tech house, right? Into take the variable, result variable. And finally, let's take here, okay, result. Yes. So Python Narayana Tech house, right? Take the string, right? Suppose I take the Python again. I take the again Python here, again Python. So what happens here? Only first word, first letter will upper lower, guys. But second word onwards, every first letter uppercase. Every first letter, right? Take any string. Let's take the only Narayana string, for example. Narayana Tech house, right? Now what happens here? The N small only, but capital T, capital H will come, right? N small only, N small only, capital T, capital H came, guys. All of you. If you repeat the same string n number of times also, same output will come. Suppose I repeat the same Narayana, okay. I take the right Narayana, then I take here Narayana. All of you. We just take here Python like this. Let us try this one. Let us try here. Let us try here. Yes. So 4 words are there. First word, first letter lowercase, and remaining what is there? Starting uppercase is there. Starting uppercase, guys, right? Okay. So this is the one of the ways to convert given string into the camel case, right? Yes. Thanks so much, all of you. The next one we will see converting the given string into the snake case. Already you have seen the Pascal. Now camel over. Next one we'll see the snake case. Okay. Right. Thank you all of guys. Bye.